slide master is actually a great way to reuse specific backgrounds in your template. So if I want to choose the bubbles instead of the drops or the crosshatch background, I can change it easily. I can actually change it even after I put shapes on the slide. So I can put that shape and see how it looks with different slide masters. And remember when we said this is context sensitive, because this shape is selected here, this is the shape's properties. But if I click outside, I'm gonna change the master here, and because I selected the document instead. So the first advantage of having slide masters is having those backgrounds that you can change from and see how your interface looks on different backgrounds. The second one that we're gonna come to later is I can, if I'm reusing, let's say I have this element here, let's change the color a little bit to be gray, and I have it at the bottom as well, and I'm noticing that I'm reusing this element in let's say in this slide and that slide. This is the top navigation, this is the bottom navigation. I'm using it across all these slides. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here and select both these and copy them, and then I'm gonna edit the master slide and I'm gonna paste them here, and then when I'm done I can remove it from this and that, top and the bottom, and now I have these permanently in every screen, so I don't have to recreate them. And now if I want to edit them, so I'm gonna remove the ones that I added, and see as I'm deleting them, they're still there because they're part of the master slide. But the great thing here is I can double click on this and edit the master slide, and now if I change this to red and I press done, it is reflected in every slide. So it saves me a lot of time in editing the interface if I want to make a single change to be reflected in all the screens at once.